Hello guys, Julian here from Android AV Pro. I've been having some audio problems or trying to improve the audio quality of my productions with Kine Master and also with Audio Evolution, so I've been doing some testing. Here's the results of those tests. Alright, let's go. This first set of tests was done using the HTC Nexus 9 on Audio Evolution Pro. Testing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the internal microphone from the Nexus 9 through Audio Evolution Mobile. This audio is from a hands-free, Samsung hands-free microphone and headset through the port on the Nexus 9. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're using an AKG C420 headset on the IK Multimedia iRigPRE. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this audio is coming from the Zoom Audio H2, recording in Audio Evolution Mobile. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing. Now we're going to repeat those tests, but we're going to use Kine Master, Kine Master, as the recording platform. This is the internal or built-in microphone from the HTC Nexus 9. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're recording with an external hands-free from a Samsung Galaxy S4 i9506. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're recording with an AKG C420 headset through IK Multimedia's iRigPRE. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally, we're recording with the Zoom H2 through the OTG cable with settings 44.1 through the front mic. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing. So I think what we've learned from this test is that with different audio devices, different microphones, different audio files, cameras, and so on, so we can expect different audio levels and qualities. This means the production application we're working in, whether audio or video based, needs to handle automatic gain control, normalization, compression, limiting, and things like that in order to ensure high quality of consistent audio within the production. If you're considering using an external audio device or microphone in Audio Evolution or Kine Master Pro, then you'll probably need to know about these settings. In Audio Evolution, you can find the audio input setting under Preferences. In Kine Master, you can find the audio recording source settings under the gear icon located in the main screen. So it's probably fair to say the internal microphone from the Google Nexus 9, regardless of the app, is something that we're going to throw in the trash and not use. This is probably true for any mobile device as well. The hands-free headset was okay, but I think I would rather have a lav mic from IK Multimedia rather than messing around with this sort of hands-free. It's probably fair to say the IK Multimedia iRigPRE in combination with the AKG C420 headset gave the most magnificent quality of audio. This is a no-brainer, guys. This is magnificent and, well, it works for me and I'm using it right now. Surprisingly, for video production with Kine Master, I found that the Zoom H2 was the best solution with the setting AGC2, Automatic Gain Control number 2, because there's no normalization in Kine Master. So this ensures that the volume levels are consistent throughout the production. Unfortunately, it also means that you're using the OTG cable, and that means you're consuming more power with your mobile device. But it is a magnificent solution with excellent audio quality. So, leave me some comments, guys. Let me know what type of microphone solution you're using for your Android audio or video productions. And let me know which of the different audio recordings you felt produced the best quality. I'd love to hear your opinions about that. So, until the next video, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Ciao.